Do you want to know how you can turn Spotify into full screen on your PC? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn Spotify PC to full screen. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, open Spotify on your PC. If this is the format you are seeing your Spotify, you can see the maximize button over here. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you want the full screen option, you can see on the bottom right hand side this stretch icon. Just go ahead and click on it. And you can see that you can now play the songs and you can watch the whole Spotify screen as a full screen interface. So guys, it is that simple to watch Spotify on full screen. All you need to do is click on this maximize button and click on this full screen icon on the bottom right hand side of your screen. And you can now go to full screen. If you want to get out of the full screen option, press escape on your keyboard and then you will be turned into half screen as well. So guys, this is how you turn to full screen on Spotify PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.